Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to hide notification panel when the screen is on in Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, go to notification. Okay, tap notifications. In notifications, you can see the do not disturb. Okay, tap this. And do not disturb, okay, you'll have to do is scroll down and find the hide notifications. Okay, tap the hide notifications. And okay guys, here in hide notifications, you can see the hide from notification panel, and on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to hide the notification panel when the screen is on in your Samsung Galaxy A02, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side of this hide from notification panel. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully hide notification panel when the screen is on in Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.